Hello, my dear children. Good morning, all of you. Today for class 9, Mensuration, part 2. Here, on quadrilaterals, there are 6 types of quadrilateral. See here, on quadrilateral, there are 3 ways we may get the area of quadrilateral. First, dividing the quadrilateral into 2 parts, that is 2 triangles. Then finding the area of this triangle, you will get the area of the quadrilateral first. And second, when one diagonal and the perpendiculars from the remaining vertices of this diagonal given, then half into one diagonals into sum of the length of the perpendiculars. Second and third, when the diagonals of the quadrilateral intersect at right angles, then the area of the quadrilateral half into product of diagonals. That means area of quadrilateral we may get by these 3 formulas. You must remember. Then area of a rectangle, there are also 3. Area of rectangle, length into breadth square unit, and perimeter, that is 2 into length plus breadth unit. Diagonal, that is root over L square plus breadth square. L square, that means length square plus breadth square unit. Area always will be square unit, and length, breadth, height and perimeter only unit. That you have to remember. Then square. Area, that is side square, square unit. Perimeter, that is 4 into side unit. And diagonal equal to side into root 2 unit. That is square. And parallelogram, area, that is base into height square unit. Rhombus, that is half into product of the diagonal square unit. Trapezium, area, half into sum of the parallel side into height square unit. And regarding the perimeter, if you add all the sides, then you will get the perimeter of any figure. This is why perimeter is not given here. And another formula that is vital, area of 4 walls equal to half into length plus breadth into height square unit. That also you have to remember. On this, the sum is given, that is from M.L. Agarwal, sum number 14. A rectangular garden 10 meter by 16 meter is to be surrounded by a concrete work uniform with given that the area of the work is 120 meters square. Assuming the width of the work to be x, form an equation in x and solve it to find x. This is the sum. Solution: taking the concrete work, length of the garden, that is 16 plus 2x. In both sides, the area will be increased. This is why 16 plus 2x meter, and width 10 plus 2x. Why 2x? That is, you may remember, suppose this is the rectangular. The surrounding path is given. Here x meter is increasing. In this side also x meter is increasing. X plus x. This is why 16 plus 2x. Similarly, the width also will be the 10 plus 2x. I think it is clear. Then area with concrete work is length into breadth meter square. Area without concrete work, that is 16 into 10 meters square, and area of concrete, that is given 120 meters square. Then by the problem, that is 16 plus 2x into 10 plus 2x minus 16 into 10 equal to 20. That means area with concrete work minus area without concrete work equal to area of the concrete work. This is the equation. By solving this equation, we are getting this equation. Simplest form the equation x square plus 13x minus 30 equal to 0. This equation we have to form, which is the required equation. This is the answer of first part. And we have to find out the value of x, that is by solving of this equation we are getting x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 15. Length cannot be minus, so x not equal to minus 15. Therefore value of x is 2 meter. I think it is clear. Please see the more one sum, that is 44 part 2. This is the figure you will get in book. In question you will get the figure, but in solution you must draw the figure. From the figure we are getting the triangles ADE, this triangle, ABX, and CDZ, and the trapezium BCZX. That means in total 4 figures we are getting in this single figure. From here we are getting area of triangle ADE, that is half into ADE. This is 12, this is 15 given, and this is 10. So 10 plus 15 plus 20, that is 37, and height is given 20. Half into base into height. By putting the formula, we are getting the area of triangle ADE, that is 350 meters square. Similarly, area of triangle ABX, that is ABX 30, that is the 30 height and 12 is base. So half into 30 into 12, by simplification we are getting 180 meters square. And area of triangle CDZ, that is this, that is half into 10 into 25. By calculation we are getting 125 meters square. Then the last figure, that is the trapezium, half into sum of the parallel sides into height. By writing the formula and relevant values you have to write, and calculation we are getting 412 into 0.5 meters square. Then the area of the figure, all the areas by adding we are getting 1087.5 meters square. This is the area of the figure. If you notice the figure attentively, then easily you will understand. And you have to remember the formula also. I think it is clear. Please see the solution clearly. My last suggestion, you must learn the formula very attentively. Then you will feel very comfort, very easily you can solve any types of problems. Okay, thank you everybody.